Welcome to a tour of Aerostar Global. Do you buy castings, forgings, precision machining, stampings, gears, plastics, rubber? If so, we can help. Our satisfied customers include industry leaders, including many Fortune 500 companies. Headquartered in the US, we are a one-stop shop for supplying our customers with highly engineered parts from our network of plants in India and other countries. Global sourcing teams are based out of Pune and Bangalore in India and coordinate all supply chain services, including quoting, supplier quality, and logistics with our network of more than 25 manufacturing facilities based in India. Various manufacturing facilities in our network provide highly engineered parts at substantial cost savings. Let us take away all of your headaches that come with global sourcing. In order to connect with our sales staff, email Ken Krasnodemski at sales@aerostarmfg.com.